he gets hurt enough here and we don't have dangerous things like that. Pork. Probably would be better if this pork was ground a little finer, but once again, pork. Sure, that won't harm me that much. You guys want me to do this on the close-up cam? Handle my meat? Get out of there, Winston. Not time yet. Not supper time yet. Sorry if this is really loud. The mic is right beside the sink, as you can see, obviously, from that camera. Yeah, I don't think, like, I would necessarily worry about coming across one, but he covers a lot of ground. Yeah, we don't really do dog parks either. We're more like out in the boonies, exploring on your own kind of thing. And he can cover like a mile before you even know what's going on. So we worry about him sometimes. One time he ran off after a deer or something, and probably 15 minutes later somebody drove up and they had found him a mile away sitting on the side of the road. We had no idea. Unit placed by Captain somebody. Hold on. Oh, we're getting a lot of units now. Got Louis is in here. Welcome. This is you. How's it going? This is you. I'm gonna move this mat where I can stand.